my God.
Go, go.
Whoa.
Go, go. All right.
Let's go,
Go, Lou. Look at you. It's your game. Deeper. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Let's go get drunk.
Hey. Okay, so what is this?
Answer them. I'm answering that. I stick with my mover.
My whole inside's burning.
It's burning.
This is
It's burning. It's burning. Okay, now how do I stop?
Let's get some cups.
Alright, we need to go.
Come.
We waiting on Chelsea.
We waiting on
It's not
Chelsea.
over here.
Are we gonna walk down Karen house? Yeah, Nick.
Yeah, we need.
Alright, come on, let's get these cups started.
Okay, let's go.
Uh-huh.
Get me started.
Yeah, no red cups, ain't no type of cups. This work.
Oh.
These work better.
Look. Too much.
Oh, chest burning. Is it supposed to? Like, how does that work?
Hey, I want the chaser.
It's called putting hair on your chest.
I have to be the designated one. No chaser. I mean, no liquor.
No. She designated talking about no chaser.
I took the shot, and if I'm gonna have 2 drinks at the club, I can't be drinking now.
2 drinks. On my 5.
Yeah, well, girl, I don't even know. I have not drunk like this. I don't even know if I can hold my own liquor.
Want to take one more shot?
No. Give me a chaser.
Okay.
What you want?